Hello everyone, this is part 3 of the lab I was doing earlier. I really was hoping that I could fit it into 2 videos, but it looks like it's going to be part 3. Anyway, where I left off, I was trying to add the actual value of the config map into the pod YAML file. So name would be foo, that's the variable it's going to mount as, and it's going to get the value from a config map that we already created called foo-cm, and in that um, in that config map, the key is going to pull is the foo, because you can have a config map with multiple key value pairs. In this case, we only happen to have one, so it's only one, but you can pick and choose. So we're choosing the key foo from the config map foo.cm and mounting that as an environment variable on the container with the name foo. So in the container, anytime you do echo $foo, you will get the value that we have defined. All right, so that should do the trick. Let's look at the direct requirements again. We did that already. The loop, it should call the name of the container with the busy box. Okay, so name of the container is name of the pod should be foo pod, and the name of the container should be foo.cont, and it's running busybox. So that should do the trick. Let's see. If I do k apply minus f, the YAML file. Yes, created. Is it running? Kget pod in the namespace foo-ns. It is running. Let's describe it. Describe pod foo-pod in the namespace pardon me, foo-ns. And let's look at that. So name of the pod foo-pod in the namespace foo-ns. IP we don't care right now. It's running a command like so. It's sending the output to this log file. It's in that loop. It's gonna keep repeating the same. It's gonna sleep for that many seconds. What else? Status is condition status. I don't know what that means. Anyway, and there's a volume with empty directory type. It has a limit that wasn't specified, but we put it on anyway. And I don't see the mount point for that. I don't see the mount point for that. Anyway, so it looks like, oh, there it is, op mounts, op.dat mounted. It also mounted a secret, by the way. This is by default. Every pod actually uses a secret to authenticate with the API server that comes as default unless you specify otherwise. So I hope this video was useful to you, this set of 3, because it completes the lab for the CKAD practice exam. If you find these videos useful, please like and subscribe. That helps me with the YouTube algorithm, and I will see you next time.